Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So friends, we are back again with the new internship opportunity from NIT Trichy. So NIT Trichy is invited for their summer internship program for UG students at NIT Trichy. There is a direct selection procedure and there is no application fees. So all undergraduate students, those who are pursuing their degree in any discipline, can apply for this internship. So let's see more details about the program. So this is the official PDF from NIT Trichy for summer internship program for undergraduate students. So NIT Tiruchirappalli has invited undergraduate students from various colleges, institutes and universities to pursue their internship program under the guidance of a faculty member of NIT Tiruchirappalli. Now talking about the eligibility and selection procedure, then the students who are pursuing their undergraduate degree in any branch or discipline and are in any year in their UG program, they can directly interact with their faculty member of NIT Tiruchirappalli through email and get the consent for the internship program. And after receiving the consent from the faculty member of NIT Tiruchirappalli, then the student can fill the application in Google Forms which are mentioned in the link. And they have strictly mentioned that after getting the consent from the faculty mentor of NIT Tiruchirappalli is must for the selection. The duration of the summer internship program will be of minimum 4 weeks and maximum of 8 weeks. And the internship program will start from 1st May 2023 to 31st July. So if you are pursuing your undergraduate degree in any branch or discipline, so you must apply for this internship program before 15th April. So this is the official website of NIT Trichy where the faculty member names are mentioned. So by contacting in their email, you can just get the consent for your summer internship program at NIT Trichy. So as you can see that for every faculty member, email ID is mentioned. So you must get the consent for the internship program. Most of the students will be getting confused that what do you mean by consent? Basically, consent means permission that you are asking from the faculty member that you want to pursue summer internship program at NIT Tiruchirappalli. And once you get the consent, then there is a probability that you will be selected for the summer internship program at NIT Tiruchirappalli. And after getting the consent from any faculty members of NIT Tiruchirappalli, then only you can fill the application form. And it is advisable to all the students, without getting the consent, don't fill up the Google form because it will be rejected. And scrolling down, you will be able to see that the faculty mentor department, from which faculty mentor department you have taken the consent for the summer internship program. And after filling all the required details, you have to also fill the faculty mentor consent letter. So this is a must. You have to add your file which you have received the consent letter from the faculty mentor. And they will be also providing the accommodation and hostel facilities for both boys and girls. So friends, this is a very good opportunity for all the UG students, those who want to pursue their summer internship program. And if you haven't watched the video of summer internship at IIT Palakkad, IIT Delhi, IIT Roorkee and IIT Mandi, then you must watch the video. And if you fulfill the eligibility criteria, then you can also apply for this internship program. So if you like the video, do hit the like button. Also share with all your friends, those who are pursuing their UG degree in any discipline or any branches. And you can get all the links in the description box. And if you will be having any doubts related to summer internship program at NIT Tiruchirappalli, then you can also comment down below. And make sure to subscribe our channel to receive more updates. Thank you.